August 9th, we are in van 6490. It is sold. Agreement was that there was a rattle in the rear suspension. It was to be fixed. This is video for noise. That rattling you're hearing is coming here from your ramp. Railroad tracks there. I'm not hearing any rear suspension noise of any kind. The only noise I'm hearing really is from the ramp, which is expected. I would say repairs completed to the rear suspension, solved any noise that may have been. If you have any questions, please do give us a call at 316-262-8267. Thank you.